Good morning YouTube, welcome to another day of adventures with Traveling Vegan and Frodo. We're gonna go for a ride. It is already pretty damn hot up here in Cairns. Let's see what views today brings.
I'm only human, just what can I do? 'Cause I feel the fusion when I'm there with you. We're all chemicals, we are. We're all chemicals, we are.
Hey guys, so just finished the climb, damn climb. Well, I'm actually like at the end of the road now, so just walking towards the lookout. It's a pretty good climb, pretty nice. Quite a lot of snakes actually, like live snakes. But that's what you get when you're out in the nature. And the lookout is looking pretty good. Let's see it in a minute. Legends. It is starting to rain over here. Wow, like literally as I said on the camera, it's starting to rain. I should head back into Cairns. I have a couple of things that I need to get in the shop, and there's plenty of water up here on this lookout. There are like water drinking water taps, and there's also like a coffee and tea thing. There's also a vending machine, but you need to have coins or like cash to buy stuff from there, and I don't have that with me. I just have an Airforce card. So I am getting a bit hungry, so I'm gonna again head back to the city, have some food, do some stuff. It's really beautiful, and literally there's no one else here now. Like the 3 people that were here when I got here, they've left, so it's like it's mine and yours, mine and yours.
Somewhere in my DNA, you got me way up in the sky. Just pull me closer in the night. But I'm only human, just what can I do? 'Cause I feel the fusion when I'm there with you. We're all chemicals, we are. We're all chemicals, we are.
Hey guys, so I'm just leaving the grill. I must have sat there for like an hour or something. Had a really good burger. Had some fries, cupped up, fueled up. Gonna go and do a couple of things that I need to get done in Cairns, and might actually do some more carb loading. I feel like I'm still like not like overly full. I'm pretty full, but I reckon I'll be hungry in like half an hour again. I guess that's like kind of what happens after you burn a certain amount of calories and not really replenish them on a regular basis. You just end up kind of being hungry, but for a while. That's right. Living the adventure and getting ready for the next one. Gotta do, that's what you gotta do. Hey guys, just to give you an idea, I am right now at the freshwater station. I was trying to have a look if there's anywhere there you can see it there. But basically, where these trains go, they go to this place called Kuranga or something, Kuranga, and apparently it's just like a really scenic lookout. It's a nice train ride there. It's just like one of the things to do here in Cairns. And you can also catch the train there and back, or you can catch the train there and get the sky rail there. You guys see, it's like kind of, oh man, yeah. Here you go, here you go, here you go. So it's like sky rail. It's like cable car type thing, and it takes you or out of the mountains or there, and it takes like maybe over about an hour, I think you said, and it costs $50 one way. So they stop at 5 p.m. and they start at 8 or whatever, like 8:30 he said. So the guy at the thing. So if you're into this kind of stuff and you want to do this when you get into Cairns, or you're like rolling around exploring Cairns, like you can definitely do that if that's your thing. So here you go, just a little tip, just another little thing to do in Cairns. Let's keep exploring and see what happens, what else you can find in the area.
Something to behold, elegant and bold. She is electricity running to my soul. And I could easily lose my mind, the way you kiss me work each time, calling me to come back to bed, singing Georgia on my mind. And lips generous and warm, you build me up like steps. Eyes innocent and wild, remind me what it's like. Oh, and I could easily lose my mind, the way you kiss me work each time, pulling me back into the flames, and I'm burning up again, I'm burning up. And I never understood what was at stake. I never thought your love was worth its weight. And now you come and gone, I finally worked it out, I worked it out.